Oh my God. Let this be a lesson to y'all. Don't ever attempt to dye your own hair.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and today, TikTok finally got me. They got me. I had to try these clip-ins from TikTok. The girls be on TikTok ranting and raving about the Amazon clip-ins. I've never purchased hair from Amazon. I have worked with hair from Amazon from making a wig for my friend, but this was a completely different brand. I decided to give this a try because I am in the midst of taking birthday pictures. I didn't want to spend all that money on shipping to ship clip-ins to me from my hair vendor, and I didn't feel like making any, so I was like, let me just see what the Amazon clip-ins hitting on, and if they don't work, I mean, I can always return them. So this video is literally about my first impressions on the clip-ins. All of the information that you need for the video will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on my The Fashionceesta Instagram. If you guys already follow me, then you guys are probably following like my makeup business page, because I did take that page and turn it into my business page. So go follow me on The Fashionceesta. Any products that I recommend or do like any type of review on, I will have a full blog post on that Instagram page. That is what I will have that page specifically dedicated to, so that you guys can get, you know, a quicker, I guess not necessarily a quicker, but you guys will have a more straight to the point opinion about the products that you guys see me talk about on this channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the installation video. All right, so as I mentioned, I'll be testing out some Amazon clip-ins. I did get these clip-ins from Lorraine. I also have another set of clip-ins that's coming in. If they come in while I'm in the middle of doing my hair, then I will obviously mention that. But this first set that I got here is from the company Lorraine. It comes with extra clips, as you guys can see on the back. There's a needle right there with extra thread. It also shows you instructions on how to attach the clip-ins, and then I'm assuming that they also sell ponytail extensions, because it also has directions on how to install a ponytail extension. And then it also has like the how to care steps and everything else on the back. So if you guys are interested in these clip-ins, or you like the way that they look, they'll obviously be linked in my Amazon storefront for you guys to check out. This hairnet. I think I can just pull these out. Let me take the net off so I'm not snagging my nail. This is what the hair looks like. I definitely feel like, just off bat, like my first inkling is, if you want a full head of hair, you're definitely gonna need 2 sets of clip-ins. So I'm absolutely gonna need the other set to come in today, so that I can make sure that my hair looks full. So these clip-ins, I will say off bat, they are very well made. I love that the hair looks super flat, the clip isn't bulky or any of that. So this is one of the pieces that I'll more than likely probably be using for my bang area. It's looking like you get 2 of what you need. So there's 2 of these 1-prong clips, and then I have 2 2-prong clips. And then it is 3 3-prong clips, but the other clips included are longer. So we are going to install these clip-ins so that way I can get my butt downtown to my shoot, and we'll go from there. So what I will say so far about the clip-ins, normally I need to tease, and maybe this is just me saying this too soon, but normally I have to tweeze because, as y'all can see, my hair is not the thickest, but these clip-ins are actually hooking and staying put in my hair, so far so good on that. And this hair feels really good. Oh my God, let this be a lesson to y'all. Don't ever attempt to dye your own hair. I'm gonna have to Photoshop the shit out of my scalp because it is jet black dye everywhere. I put some damn concealer in my scalp, y'all. This is crazy. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. Honestly, I wish that I would have went and got my hair dyed at the salon because, baby, I'm gonna have to put some actual concealer in my scalp. Look at this. You can't even see a part because it's literally dye all in my hair. I'm going to curl my hair and I'll be back. Actually, I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see just how long the clip-ins are, and then we'll go from there. Inches, and this is where it hits right at the top of my butt. So I was gonna curl them, but I think that I'm probably just gonna wear them slick and we'll go from there. All right, so the clip-ins are all done. I decided to keep them straight instead of curling them because what the look that I'm gonna do for the second part of my birthday shoot tomorrow is probably gonna require me to like do some curls and stuff. So this is what it looks like. I feel like these clips blend in really well with my head. Ironically, I definitely do need another pack, and my other pack that I have is out for delivery right now. So this isn't laying as flat as I know it can. This is some clip-ins that I made with them bulky ass clips that's sitting up top. But for the most part, the clips that I got from Amazon, they lay super flat and they straighten well. I didn't smell any type of burning or like any type of weird smell when I opened the package or when I applied the heat onto the clips for me to straighten the hair. So maybe I'll come back with a updated video on the clip-ins from Amazon so that you guys can really know instead of just going off my initial review, because I feel like most times when you get some new hair anyways, the hair always acts accordingly when you first get it. The test is curling the hair, washing it, and then having to reuse them to see how it works. So for a first impression, I would definitely say that these clip-ins are bomb. I can't wait for the other pack to get in so that this can lay in a little bit flatter. And obviously, like I said, I'm gonna have to put some like real concealer in my hair because I have jet black dye all in my scalp and it just looks a hot ass mess. So yeah, that is it. I will have the link down below in my description box. My Amazon storefront is already like linked on my videos all the time, but I will have the direct link to these clip-ins in the link in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out and stay tuned for my birthday pictures because y'all know your girl gonna eat. I absolutely love this time of the year to just kind of, you know, get in my bag. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.